This video demonstrates the termination process for SC and LC ProClick fiber optic connectors. It is imperative to follow all safety guidelines for materials, tools, and equipment when working with optical fibers. Safety glasses are a basic requirement when working with optical fiber. Cleaved fiber scrap can be a hazard. Wear safety glasses and discard glass fiber scrap in the appropriate safety container. It is recommended that you do not have open drinks or food in proximity of the fiber splicing workbench. Use an approved container for collecting loose fibers. Hubbell ProClick connectors are factory terminated with a mechanical connection feature. No field polishing is required, making this a labor-saving product. Terminating the ProClick LC and SC connectors follows the same procedure. This procedure requires a fiber strip tool, a precision cleave tool, a visual fault locator, fiber cleaning solvent, lint-free wipes, and a fiber disposal container. Precision fiber tools must be clean and free of contamination. The fiber strip tool removes the tight buffer and acrylate coatings down to just the glass fiber. For best results, use a precision cleave tool to control fiber cleave angle. A visual fault locator is used to check termination quality. This step is optional for the skilled installer. For cleaning optical fibers, use lint-free wipes and high-grade cleaning solvent, like 99% iso alcohol. Use an approved container for collecting loose fibers. Now let's get started with terminating a ProClick SC connector. Each connector contains the boot and connector with attached spring clamp. Slide the boot onto the fiber strand before terminating. Strip the field fiber by removing a 1/4 inch of tight buffer material at a time to a total strip length of 1 to 1.5 inches. Strip the acrylic coating from the fiber using the 250 micron section of the stripper. Clean the fiber with a wipe and cleaning fluid. Place the field fiber into the cleaver clip so that the tight buffer jacket extends to the end of the clip, as shown here. Place the fiber into the cleave tool and align with a 10 mm mark. All ProClick connectors use a 10 mm cleave length. This is a critical parameter. Close the clamps and actuate the cleave tool. Open the clamps and remove the cleaved fiber. Press the connector firmly to seat the actuator clip. This opens the internal fiber clamp. Then flip the safety latch to unlock the clip. Insert the cleaved fiber until it bottoms out inside the connector. Hold the fiber gently about 2 inches away with a slight bow in the fiber. Be careful, too much force can break the fiber. Holding a steady force on the fiber, squeeze and remove the actuator clip. The fiber is now clamped in place. Slide the boot onto the connector to finish the termination. Termination quality is verified with a VFL. Insert the connector and view the splice slots for light. A good splice shows little or no visual light. Shown here, a bad mating will illuminate the slots significantly. Contact your local Hubbell Premise wiring representative for additional product information. Hubbell FiberHub ProClick connectors are a high-quality, fast, and reliable option for filed termination for your projects.